Get ready to snag the keys to this recently renovated 5-bedroom duplex located in one of Kitchener's most vibrant communities. I'm Helen Fidler here today at 39 Lucerne Drive, offering the perfect opportunity for investors looking to set their own rents, a house hacker looking to live in one unit and rent out the other, or a multi-generational family looking for 2 separate living spaces. Brace yourself for a home makeover that's not just a glow-up, it's a full-blown diva transformation. The upper 3-bedroom and lower 2-bedroom units offer private entrances with completely separate living spaces, each with in-suite laundry, full bathrooms, large windows, separate outdoor living spaces, and secured sheds. These homes are both decked out in contemporary elegance with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and white shaker cabinets in the kitchens, modern lighting, and updated bathrooms. With McLennan Park only steps away, you can enjoy all the free fun it has to offer with a large accessible playground, splash pad, basketball court, volleyball, skate park, and of course, the dog park. Stroll in the other direction to the light rail transit, shopping, restaurants, and the esteemed Activa Sports Complex. Your journey to explore the boundless wonders of the city begins right at your doorstep. This property has so many recent updates, your home inspector will obviously give it the 2 thumbs up. Starting with this 5-car recently paved driveway, a newer furnace, loads of new plumbing and wiring, and of course, the recently approved permit for the duplex. And the best part about this is, this duplex isn't mine and it should be yours.